Announced a new proposed initiative to fight vaccine hesitancy this morning. KBC9's Michael Mahoney takes a closer look at the details of the new push.
The goal of this is to vaccinate 5,000 people in the inner of the city of Kansas City, Missouri, a place where only 1 in 5 people, according to statistics, has been vaccinated so far. They're going to spend $5 million in federal COVID money from 2020 allocated to Jackson County to do this over 5 months. They're also going to be starting some research into healthy habits and how people can build healthy habits in these 6 specific zip codes where they're going to conduct this project with $5 million. As we say, UMKC, Truman Medical Center, and Jackson County are behind this. This idea was presented today at the county legislature. There were very few questions about it, none of them negative, and when they took the vote, there were no negative votes. Everybody voted for it, except there was 1 legislator who was absent. As Jackson County will launch in June a $5 million program, $5 million in federal money to vaccinate inner city Kansas Cityans and start healthy habit programs. Michael Mahoney, KMBC 9 News.
And there are several vaccination clinics scheduled across Jackson County, Missouri this week. Workers with the Jackson County Health Department will be in different cities each day. Today's clinics will be in Lee Summit and Independence. Vaccinations are free. Walk-ins are welcome, but appointments are also available. Also, the numbers are in from last week's mass vaccination event in Lee Summit. Volunteers gave out 3,800 vaccine doses. The Missouri National Guard helped run the 2-day event at Legacy Park along with the Jackson County Health Department and other agencies. Volunteers set up 7 lines to take 15 cars at a time. And we know that some people still have questions that they want answered before or after getting the vaccine, and we want to help. All this week, you can submit your questions that we're going to take right to local health experts, getting you the facts on the vax. To ask your question, just either point your phone's camera at this code you see there on your screen, the QR code, and you can also go to our website, KMBC.com, and then click on Get the Facts on the Vax. We're going to be sharing the answers to all of your questions all next week on KBC 9 News. Meanwhile, there's some hopeful signs that the U.S. is turning a corner in the pandemic, with cases and hospitalizations declining nationwide. Health officials say that restrictions, including on wearing indoor masks, could start to be lifted as long as more people continue to get vaccinations. ABC's Elizabeth Schulze has more from Washington.
With new coronavirus infections at a 7-month low, positive momentum in the nation's fight against the pandemic. Dr. Anthony Fauci suggesting indoor mask requirements could start to be lifted as more people get vaccinated.
The CDC will be updating their recommendations and their guidelines. But yes, we do need to start being more liberal as we get more people vaccinated.
The CDC reports more than 152 million Americans have received at least 1 dose of a COVID-19 vaccine. But demand for the vaccine is declining. The U.S. giving just below 2 million shots a day, down nearly 40% in the last month.
I didn't really know much about it, so I thought maybe wait a little bit and see how that goes.
As soon as today, the FDA is expected to authorize 12 to 15-year-olds for Pfizer's vaccine under emergency use.
That will provide a whole lot more opportunity for freedom for those kids, and we want to be able to open up the high schools and the middle schools in the September timeline.
Not soon enough for 15-year-old Dakota Morgan, a healthy teen who loved basketball and died just 2 days after she was diagnosed with COVID. A sobering reminder that the daily death toll from the virus is still going up. Last week, averaging almost 650 Americans dying from COVID each day.
More Americans are traveling as they get vaccinated and states lift restrictions. The U.S. broke another air travel record Sunday with more than 1.7 million passengers passing through TSA checkpoints.